This is the end result. Tis the night before my debonding appointment. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys had an amazing weekend and you're ready to start the week with me. So, as I told you guys in the last vlog, I'm getting my braces taken off. I know. If there is anybody here that does not know what I look like without braces, or you came when, you know, my teeth were already fixed and everything was good and dandy, you're in for a surprise. Yeah, I'm going to be walking you guys through the whole process, what it was like, what's the cost, the whole breakdown, everything like that. I can't record in there because she's not comfortable with me recording in there. Like, yeah, so this video is not promotional in any way, shape or form. It's just to give you guys the information that you've been asking me for a very long time. And yeah, I don't know what else will be happening in this vlog because it's been raining. So it's been raining every single day. Like once it touch 1 o'clock or 12:30, the rain just start coming down, and work has been whooping my ass this week. Like, so I'm not really sure of the plans for the weekend, but I'm getting old girl taken off. So get your final look. This is me before I remove it, and I know that I will probably shed a tear or two when it come off, just because it's going to be so new to me. I'm gonna feel weird. I'll let them something there, but it's time. It's time. It's time. Good morning. Alright guys, I'm gonna dip on the trap and I try. Right. So I need to be able to see my face. Good morning. It's the morning of my debonding. My appointment is at 1 o'clock and I don't know how to feel. I'm going to look for something from my lip because I feel like my lip dry. I'm not one about it. I said, oh God, this I get a lip dry. Oh, she said she get her lip white. So I'll just rectify that real quick. Right. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go debond. So this is what I'm wearing. Nothing fancy, it's just a black shirt, these green pants. I'm gonna wow, not me giving him no whiplash. I'm gonna throw on my little Jesus slippers and my little black bag. You know, switch it up a little bit. Switch it up a little bit. Maybe we're gonna look different. You know, maybe I'm always the same with my girl. And sometimes I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I wonder how I understand more when I talk, because I feel like with certain sentences, to the speed that I say it, I can only understand myself. But yeah, these are the sandals that I'm referring to. I don't wear them often, but I feel like today is a nice little day to wear it. Very comfortable sandals. I really wanted to eat something nice because I don't know how sensitive my teeth are gonna be afterwards, but I truly don't have an appetite for eating right now. Like, honestly speaking, I don't have an appetite. It's so good. I feel like this will give me, no sir, this looks like a Miss Margaret vibe. Which one now? No man, it's like you want to church system. Down there from the camps, let's see. Yeah, I feel like it's like what I expect it to be. It's like, Sister Mercy, come here there, I have something to tell you. You know, say, little John, I skipped school and him smoking ganja. Yeah, no, it nagi at young girl. May I take you off? Anyways. Everybody is so, like, I don't know, kind of excited for me and keep on asking like, how you feel? I said, I don't know how to feel, Like, they must have me feel nervous, low-key. Like, I don't expect it to look weird and bad and I don't expect me to cry. Is that what you guys expect? I think of them third sister slippers. I mean, the nickname is Jesus slippers. But it look cute, you know. It have the ability to look cute, just not with them pants here. Them pants here really I give me if you go down to church earlier morning for prep for Bible study before the putting them come in. Yeah. We're going to a regular tour. No, yeah. That's it on that. So I'm gonna drink some tea though. I'm gonna eat a little biscuit because ginger tea and a Dixie biscuit I gotta always do it for me. That's almost me I get little up in the age, like I am hitting the mark of being a real adult, because tea and biscuit, ginger tea and biscuit slap. But yeah, it's about that time. It came quicker than we all expected. Right now I'm going to make my ginger tea and eat my guava Dixie biscuit. Right. It's actually till the last day of the month. So when we do some mountain, we mean mountain, like today is the 31st of October. So let's go get some tea in our system. And then we're gonna boogie. We're gonna head to Portmore. Yes, Portmore. So alright, I'm about to head out. This is the finish. I don't know serious now, but what's my thing now with this up and say to every walk my walk, it kinda, yeah, I'm not the tallest girl in the world. I'm actually really like tall. Like I'm just 5'6", but me ear when them, like it's hard for me. Like people were tall, like a real tall people. Probably say, girl, shut up. But it's so hard to find pants or just, you know, sit down by your ankle properly. It's so annoying. So me still kind of look like Miss Margaret. But right now I'm not busy to do. I don't like say, I go somewhere else. I just go this so and come back. So it's time. Last look. Okay, let's go. Good morning, guys. So I did not come to you guys after I did the debonding, and this is the end result. I do have permanent retainers on. So a question that a lot of people have been asking me. Well, a lot of people not on the internet. People were, you know, in a real life, I know, say, I take it up. My face is kind of dry, but yeah, I am loving it. My teeth are so white. I did not whiten them. I did not. I'm chalking it up to the shaving that she did afterwards. Like after she took off the brackets and she had to shave them down. That's what I'm saying is giving me this whiteness, because my teeth weren't this white before. And you can't see by the thumbnail, but I'm still going to insert the pictures when me at top both. Oh my goodness, I'm struggling between making this a regular vlog and making it know all about braces. Like, I don't know, but I'm just gonna continue with the format that I'm currently doing it. But yeah, I know some people will probably just want the information. Probably I get annoyed at me doing side quests, but yeah. I am going to collect my retainers now. I'm getting the clear retainers. So yeah, it's raining, but we move. I think I want to stop by the Fontana in Portmore, but I don't know when again me I go for Portmore. I'm not no reason for go for Portmore. So I think I want to stop by in there for see if them have something real quick. Or what I want to have. Is like Fontana here say, may I try stop go there and them go re-up them goose up on me, you know, because I'm not gonna tell you how much time I go there since someone not go there, but where go check it out. Yeah. So just So we're here in Fontana. Well, actually I made a mistake first and going to PriceMart parking. I got my retainers, but we'll go with that. All that gosh, tell me say put it in. She put it in the mouth and take it right out as I come back in I care. But yeah, we're gonna check out Fontana. Jesus Christ, Syrian. Jesus Christ, Syrian. Again, I'm in a them slippers there. If me not get sick by the end, in November. I don't know. Hurry up, girl. She love like sexy chicken. They walk like sexy. We can have a chat. She love walk like sexy chicken. Serena, come girl, wake up. But yeah, this is how we're looking. And they're kind of confusing though. You know, like how the beauty section are, let me see. Hi. You guys have Christmas. Oh my goodness. They have Christmas stuff. Oh yeah, look for. Oh my gosh. They're putting, oh my gosh, mommy, Christmas tree. Huh? Christmas tree. Oh. Oh my god, guys. Them festive over here. I love to see it. Them not have it upstairs, but
Fountain always festive.
Oh my god. Christmas tree. Them could have up like some little signs though. To say, you know. Yeah, cause it's just one big layout. It's just one big layout. So I guess you have to know over, like know it to navigate. But I'm gonna get the one look at something me that look for in hopes that them have it set. Look at them stops in it, as we say, I style them up. But yeah. So we're just gonna do a look at Saturday. Well, mommy, I do a look at Saturday shopping in here since already in the place and they have the stuff, so why not? Apple cider vinegar gummies are what them they're good for. Apple cider vinegar gummies. I was using this on my hair when I just cut it. I'm not gonna lie, it made a big difference in like how soft it was and the texture. So I'm gonna get it back. It's the Mizani Miracle Milk. Really good, really good. Telling us them re up them goes up on me. I don't know what influence me for come in here. Because I never come here for buy nothing. You understand me? And I just like, you know what, because I've never been in here. It's so nice though.
So when you come into Fontana, let me tell you about it.
Look at this. This is actually kind of cute. Like it look like it water, like water in there and it not full with me. Actually kind of cute. Not all the way cute, but it kind of, hey, put on people I'm sitting guys. A lot of them get themselves together for Christmas. Actually, for people them expensive things were made in India. Most of them fake plants here in this one. Alright, that's enough of put more. You see the trailer because something we take up a while ago, $8,000. Yeah. Whew. I'm gonna go home actually now. Cause you need nothing else on it?
Oh, the man, I could have get a breadfruit. Funny way I see it. Alright,
well, take our little asses back to Kingston now.
Make it look like a far.
It always baffles me to Puma is a whole nother parish. Like
yeah,
you just see like
far. It's like a
like a 20-minute drive. It's not that far. 15 if you have a need for speed. But yeah. Look a Saturday stroll. Alright, so I filmed this part of the video already, but I don't think I explained everything properly, and I feel like I missed out a few details, so take two. Alright, so as a lot of you guys would know, or as you can see by the picture, my before picture, which I'll have right here, I am missing my lateral incisor. So though that's the two front teeth that are supposed to be beside your big teeth, like the teeth that's supposed to be right here. So the procedure that I did is called canine substitution, where they basically pull your canines to the front to mask the gap that is there from the missing lateral incisors. I'm sorry if I'm using like the official terms, but that's the only way I know how to refer to it. I'm missing 2 front teeth, them, so then pull the other 2 front teeth to the front, right? I know that it's kind of a rare condition. It only affects 2% of the population, but there are a good amount of people that I've come across that has that condition. So that was an option on how it could be fixed. The other option was to get implants. I really never feel like more about a drill no screw in my head, so I opted for a canine substitution. Now, a lot of people always say they don't like it because it messes with their bite and it feels funny, but I personally don't have a problem with it. I think it feels normal and I don't see how it affects my day-to-day life, so I'm 100% fine with it. In terms of where I went and the cost and all of that, so I went to Innovative Oral, formerly known as Smart Care. They recently did some rebranding and they changed their name to Innovative Oral, but a lot of people like know it as Smart Care. Alright, I was recommended to go there by my family doctor because she went there, and I saw her in braces at the time, around the time that I was researching on where I wanted to go, and she recommended that I go to them, and I did, and the price point was very good, so I ended up going with them. Now, in total for my treatment, I spent $600,000. That is including retainer. So without retainer, it would have been like $525,000 or something like that. I'm not really good for quick maths, but subtract 75,000 from 600,000 and you get the base braces cost. How it works, you don't pay the money all at once. You pay a down payment of 200,000 to get the braces on your teeth, and then after that you pay at least $20,000 a month towards clearing your balance. If it is that you are finished with your treatment before your balance is cleared, when you're going to your debonding appointment, you have to have your balance to take it off. They will not take it off unless you clear your balance, and all of this is explained in a contract that you're given on the day of bonding. So that's basically how that works. I think it's one of the more affordable places because it's not in Kingston. I find that and also it's not, I have to stress on this part a lot, so please listen to me. I listen to me well when I say the place is not aesthetically pleasing. I've sent a lot of people there, and there's a reason why it isn't. They recently moved. They were near Portmore Community College and they had an office there for years. They moved and they are around by Jamaica Plumbing Supplies. I don't know what that part of Portmore is called, honestly and truly, but it's near where Buzzers used to be. I don't know if it's still there. It's right there. The turn between Jamaica Plumbing Supplies and the gas station, you go down there and then you take another left turn and go around. It's around there. It's not aesthetically pleasing because they had moved. Last year when I just went there, they had just moved to that location and they were renovating, because you know that spot that they're in now, it needed a lot of renovating. They're still not done renovating, so it is not the most aesthetically pleasing place. Alright, I don't want anybody come and ask me what kind of place that I send them go. I know that I trusted them and I never care about the looks of the place, and I know that they did a pretty good job because I've seen the results on other friends, not just my family doctor, but I've had friends that have gone there and their teeth look amazing, and my family doctor, I trust her, and yeah, but that's just a point to note. So if you know, yeah, but it's way cheaper than all the places in Kingston that are charging $1 million up. So yeah, that's where I went. I will have their website linked in the description box if you guys would like to book a consultation. A consultation is $5,000, and if it is that you do intend to proceed, you have to go and get an x-ray done externally for $12,000, and yeah, that's that on that. It is Sunday. I collected my retainers yesterday. I think you guys saw that because I did a bit of vlogging yesterday. But yeah, that's it. That's the story. That's the smile of my canine substitution. I don't think you can really tell because she did a pretty good job of masking it. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to vlog because it's Sunday. So I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. So if you guys liked it, I'll have a better vlog. I'll have a better vlog for next week Monday, but you know, this was just the main focus of today. So yeah, that's me. Shami, brace is free. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog, which is next week Monday. So until then, toodaloo.